In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image into a circle shape in Canva. This is a quick, reliable way to give profile photos, product shots, or icons a clean, modern look. First, open your existing design or project in Canva so you're looking at your canvas. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main toolbar. Click Elements. Elements is where Canva stores shapes, graphics, and most importantly for us, frames. In the Elements panel, look for the Browse Categories area, then choose Frames. Frames are special placeholders that automatically mask your image to a shape, which saves you from manual cropping or fiddling with aspect ratios. Inside Frames, locate the Basic Shapes section and select the circle frame. You'll see a simple circle outline appear. Place it anywhere on your canvas for now. You can move or resize it later using the corner handles. The circle will maintain its perfect round shape no matter how large or small you make it. Now, all you need to do is drag your image onto the circle frame. Click and hold your image from your uploads or your design area and drag it directly over the circle until you see the frame highlight. When you release, Canva automatically clips the image into the circular shape. If it doesn't snap into place right away, hover for a moment directly over the circle's edge until the border highlights, then let go. If the image doesn't look centered, just double-click inside the circle to reposition or zoom the photo. Drag to shift the focal point and use the corner handles to adjust the zoom level until it looks just right. Click outside the frame to commit the changes. You can replace the photo at any time by dragging a different image onto the same circle. The mask will update automatically. From here, you can fine-tune the look. Resize the circle by dragging its corners. The crop stays intact. You can also move the circle anywhere on your canvas to align it with text or other design elements. If the colors in your image need a slight boost, select the frame and use the adjustment controls to tweak brightness, contrast, or saturation without affecting the circular mask. That's it. The circle crop is complete. To recap, you opened your project, went to Elements, found Frames, picked the circle under Basic Shapes, and dragged your image into that frame. This workflow is fast, consistent, and easy to repeat for multiple photos in the same design. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating clean, circular image crops in Canva.